PDF stands for Portable Document Format. Essentially, the format is used when you need to save files that cannot be modified but still need to be easily shared and printed. But did you know that the PDF document you're reading has the potential to produce thousands of dollars in passive income? Yes, it is possible. The only catch is that you must watch every second of this video and take appropriate action at the end. Otherwise, this isn't going to work because moving forward will cause you to miss important details and leave you unsure of what to do in the process. While this is a fantastic and legitimate method to make a lot of money online, it's not really a long-term solution for making money and it will not make you wealthy. This is not, in short, a get-rich-quick scheme. With everything out of the way, let's get into the video. So let's get started with this lesson, shall we? But before we start, welcome to Side Hustle from Home, where we teach you how to make money online, the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first thing you should do is go to Google Docs. To do so, go to Google and search for Google Docs. Simply click the online editor and create a new blank document. In any case, your aim is to get over to this site where you'll write a PDF document that will earn you money. Naturally, this raises the issue of what you'll write in that document. Don't worry at this stage. You can practically write anything under the sun. For this example, we are going to use how to grow your TikTok account. It doesn't matter whose guide you use, it doesn't make a huge impact really. It doesn't matter what you create a guide about, it might be about losing weight, increasing muscle growth, a YouTube channel, Instagram, and so on. The only thing that matters is that the guide is helpful and useful. The more people it may help, the more money you can make. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. And that is why our example TikTok growth strategy is ideal for use as an example, because TikTok is a tremendously popular platform used by 1 billion users all over the globe. It means that my guide to expanding TikTok will assist a large number of people, which as I previously stated is the most essential element for those of you who are wondering how you would create a guide on something you have no knowledge about. The first step of creating a guide is to actually give a solution to other people's needs. Here's how to do it. Simply Google it. That is exactly what I did. In fact, all you have to do is utilize Google to perform some fast research on the topic your guide is based on. Then create a guide in your own words. You may, for example, simply search for a guide on Google that you want to write as well. In this instance, I looked up how to grow TikTok on Google, and from there you may open up some of these instructions. Take your time to browse the result and see what comes up as the best and most practical. So now, instead of just copying and pasting, you'll need to write down what you've just read in your own words, avoiding any copyright issues. I'll introduce you to this website called Quillbot. Quillbot's paraphraser helps you write better, faster, and clearer, which you will absolutely need in this video. You can sign up for free here and you can start right away. You just simply copy-paste the list and Quillbot will paraphrase it for you. You can write a tutorial about something you don't even know much about. After the task is done, just simply copy the list and go back to Google Doc and paste it. The second step is to go to whatever affiliate marketplace you like, whether it's ClickBank, Digitstore24 or something else. You'd want to join up for the platform and start looking for affiliate products. First, let's open a free account at Digitstore24 by clicking it here and filling up the necessary information. Make sure to choose affiliate. After that, it will generate your unique affiliate link. Continue the whole sign-up process and you can start immediately. The next stage is to find a promotion to advertise, and you can make money on autopilot by affiliate marketing. Go to the marketplace and type in the search product name TikTok. Anything as an affiliate that will allow you to reach hundreds of people who are interested in what you're promoting. In any case, what you want to advertise will be determined by the content of your guide. Since you want your guide and the product, your marketing should be in the same area. You will look for a weight loss product to market if you have a weight loss guide. If you have a YouTube growth guide, you will look for YouTube growth tools. In this tutorial, we will be looking for TikTok growth items on Digitstore24.com. All you have to do is select anything worth advertising and pay great attention to the commissions, which should be at least 40% to make your marketing profitable. You also don't want to advertise excessively inexpensive things, since you won't make nearly as much money for each sale regardless of commissions. Our example here shows that for every affiliate sale you make, you can have an earning of $79.53. Imagine being able to sell 10 of these. You will have an easy $795.30. This item serves as an excellent illustration. It provides a certain percentage of the commission and would pay me a certain amount of money for every sale, which is actually quite good. If 100 people bought it, I'd make a lot of money and totally passive revenue, which is pretty neat. Now is the time to get your affiliate link for this product. All I'd have to do now is click on Promote. Now, once to get an affiliate link to an offer of my choosing, then return to your tutorial and put it in. Now here's a pro tip. Utilize a site like bitly.com to shorten the link to the offer you're promoting. Bitly makes the URL looks less spammy. You want to do this because if you use a regular affiliate link, it will be pretty clear that you're marketing something and people are not likely to click on it. However, when you abbreviate it using Bitly, it will almost certainly boost the number of clicks. You would want to paste it into your guide. You want to add something next to it that will tempt people to click on it. I wrote the greatest method to grow on TikTok, since I'm using a product to help others increase their TikTok accounts. What you do here once again is determined by the product you're marketing. If it's a business growth offer, you may include something like the best business growth course or something like that. And now that you've done that and placed the affiliate link into your guide, you can start profiting from it. When someone opens, they'll find all of these free TikTok growth tips and methods, implying that I'm genuinely assisting them in this regard. The last piece of the equation now is where to get the traffic source. This one here is called Quora.com. This is a community-based website where you can come and obtain answers to any topic you can think of. And now folks, here's the most pleasing thing about this website. Every month, almost 500 million people visit the website. This is why you should utilize Quora as a source of traffic. It's pretty well liked. Keep in mind that making thousands upon thousands of dollars requires hundreds of clicks and purchases, and you'll almost certainly receive that many because Quora is viewed by millions of people every day. However, you must first create an account on Quora, which is pretty straightforward. In any case, after you've signed up, you'll need to ask a question about your own guide in the search bar. In this example, I wanted to learn how to build my TikTok following, and what this will do now is show you folks who are clearly seeking the strategies to build their TikTok following, making them ideal customers for me. Do so by going to the search bar and type TikTok growth as your keyword. Any queries about TikTok growth will be listed just like so. I will now comment on the queries, and I will need to copy the complete guide that I recently saved on my computer and paste it on here as an answer. For all of the questions that I could locate. That's all there is to it. That is all the work that needs to be done. You'll be able to rest while collecting daily clicks on your affiliate link if you answer as many of these questions as possible, and owing to Quora's enormous popularity, it's almost certain. And with that, I'll conclude today's video, and that's it. This has been Side Hustle from Home. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.